Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to show you what I have here is some short ribs that I have cleaned, washed with vinegar, rinsed really well, and chopped. And then I added some of my seasoning mix, which is garlic, oregano, salt, and a little black pepper is what's in this jar here. And then in this container, excuse me. And then here I have sofrito that I'm going to be adding to it. Okay, so I just wanted to show you how much sofrito I added. And I added this spoonful of it, as you can see. So now I'm gonna mix it. And this is a large, the family pack size, okay? Alrighty, now let me get to stirring this and working. I'll bring you back. Hey guys, so we are back. I'm getting ready to make the pork that I seasoned yesterday, that I was initially gonna make probably sancocho with it, and then I kind of had a change of heart. I'm just going to make it what we call guisado. And if I have leftover, I can always make sancocho with the leftover too. I have my pot heating up, and I'm gonna throw this. Oh my God, it smells so good. If you could just smell it. Okay. So it's going in. This pot is really hot right now. So in it goes. You need a big pot for this. Wait, I'm gonna cover this and let it kind of do its thing for a little bit, and then I'll bring it back. Hey guys, so I'm back. Let me just show you my secret weapon. It's a secret. So I'm gonna add to my meat some beer. And then I'm gonna let it do its thing. I added about, I guess, half of it. We'll see, I'll probably add it all, I'm not sure yet. So I'm gonna let it kind of simmer there for a while until it's tender. And I'll bring you back later. Okay guys, so let's have a look at what this thing is looking like. Let's see. Let's stir it up a little and see where we're at. And it's looking good. Uh-oh, and it's almost getting burned. I need it to come in here last few minutes. Okay. Looking very, very good. I'm gonna add the rest of my beer. Okay guys, so I added the rest of the beer. And then I'm gonna let it simmer a little bit longer, and then it should be ready for me to add whatever I'm gonna add to it. I like to add peppers and stuff like that, but I don't believe I have any. I'm gonna go out in the yard and see if I have some of my little plants having. If they do, then I'll add that to it. But anyway, we'll bring you back in a little bit. So my meat is done. I've got a couple of little peppers from my tree outside, my plant outside. And then I added about a tablespoon of tomato paste. And all I'm going to do now is just stir it all together. But it is done. Completely done. You can add salt to taste if it's doesn't have enough salt for you. But this is it. What you see here is what you get, buddy. Like I said, I already have onions and all of that in here because of the sofrito, but you can certainly add chopped onions if you haven't. I didn't have any, so I didn't add any to it, but there you have it. This meat, I can certainly make sancocho with it if I wanted to at this point. Or I can serve it like this, which is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna accompany with my meat, with my beans that I made earlier. And there's gonna be a video on those beans, I'm sorry. And I'm gonna name them the way my mama used to make them. So you'll know how to find them. Beans the way mom used to make them, from scratch. And then I also have I have a recipe, I have a video actually on how to make just plain white rice, and it's called Alicia's white rice on my channel, so you can also check that out. And when we put all of these together, that we have a plate with meat, beans, and white rice back home, that is known as la bandera. The flag is what that combination is known for, or known by. Anyway, thank you for watching, you guys. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Have a blessed day.